Alright, here's the bonus tutorial. Open up the folder. Create a new folder just in case you want to back it up or you did something wrong and you want to remove every files from the GitHub Online. Here is how you can do. So now you have two folders at your local. Click on show hidden items. There's nothing there. Now click on your source codes. You'll see .git. So GitHub will only recognize where is the .git files, hidden file is. What we're going to do here is we're going to delete everything online. Before you delete, make sure you back it up first. You see, when I move the folders, nothing will happen. Since I already backups in local in another folders, I can delete it permanently from Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Alright, now I deleted everything in the Microsoft Visual Studio Codes. You will see source of control have a 5 notifications with a notification there with a 5. And now you write a note. Just type in, I want to re-upload new files. Alright, commit and push. Now, on your left, you see the GitHub Online. You will see the file still there because we have not refreshed. We are going to refresh the browser. Click the refresh. Voila, all the files is gone. Do not worry, since your local got a backup, your goal now is to re-upload it back. So now you can just re-upload everything back. In this demo, I will bring my backup files and then I put it back to the files called the folders called my website. As long the hidden.git is in that files, you are okay. Just need to copy back the folders. You will see source of control have notifications. Type in the code, the note. Just type in the note. And then commit and push. So now they are moving up the files. Remember, make sure your asset folder like photo or video, that asset folder itself is not bigger than 200 MB. The file size is not bigger than 200 MB, or else the GitHub will load very slow. Now click on settings, click on pages in your GitHub Online, then click on visit site to check whether the website is back online. Click on refresh. It takes a while. If you found that it's not loading, just type index.html behind, it will bring in. Now click on projects, everything's are up.